Hey everyone, ever get hit with surprise fees from your API tool after building tons of data? So annoying, right? Well, I've got a solution for you. EchoAPI for VSCode. It's a lightweight REST API client that's quick and easy. Here's why EchoAPI rocks. No login, just install and go. Scratchpad for quick notes. Ultra lightweight and fast. Fully compatible with Postman scripts. Getting started is simple. Open the VSCode Extensions Marketplace, search for EchoAPI, hit install, done. Creating requests is a breeze. Just open the EchoAPI tab, right-click to make a new collection, and add your request. It handles variables and environments seamlessly, with built-in system variables for random data like UUIDs and emails. For testing, just set your condition and values. No scripting needed. It supports multiple authorization types too, like basic auth, bearer, and OAuth. EchoAPI is growing fast. Try it out and let me know how it stacks up to other tools. Happy coding! Plus, EchoAPI has a desktop client, an IntelliJ plugin, and a Chrome extension called EchoAPI Interceptor. Pick whatever works best for you.